Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Fortnite in infinite craft. So what you have to do, first we mix fire plus water. That this makes steam. Now steam plus fire, this makes engine. Now engine plus engine, this makes rocket. Now rocket plus rocket, this makes satellite. Okay, now engine plus steam and engine plus steam, this makes train. Now train plus rocket, this makes bullet train. Now bullet train plus satellite, this makes internet. Now steam plus steam, sorry, now internet. Now steam plus steam, this makes cloud. Now earth plus wind, earth plus wind, this makes dust. Now dust plus water, this makes mud. Now fire plus mud, this makes brick. Now brick plus cloud, brick plus cloud, this makes castle. Now castle plus internet, this makes Fortnite. So like this you can make Fortnite in infinite craft. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.